Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Glad to have you back. In this MyEcon Global 2025 video, we're going to be diving in once again to the global membership, which is the Zingo Travel membership, and looking at some of the benefits that you get from the Zingo Travel membership. Remember that you now own your own travel club, and this is not just your average travel club. There are all kinds of extra perks here that we haven't even talked about yet. So we're going to dive into some of those tonight and talk about exactly what you get for benefits from this global membership with the Zingo Travel Club, your very own travel club, and the MyEcon 2025 Global Membership. So here we are back again in the back office of MyEcon. This is inside of my own personal back office. And to access the travel membership as an EBM member, it's right here in the center of my carousel, but as a global member, this will be the only option that you have. So you just click here and it will bring up the Zingo Travel membership, where you can click on Access My Travel Club. Own your own travel club. Hooray! Okay, so we've talked about some of these things before. We've talked about the savings that you can receive when you are booking travel through the Zingo Travel Club, which is up to 70%. We've talked about the price guarantee, price match of up to 110%, where you can get money back if you find a better price on a different travel engine somewhere. We've talked a little bit about how you earn points when you book travel through the rewards up here. Again, remember that we see the My Rewards section up here. Also under, if you click on My Account, you can see your rewards right here, your rewards credits, okay? Just to touch on a few other things that I briefly touched on before, but I wanted to go over again with you. Over here under the Lifestyle tab, you see this little drop down here. There are some things that are pretty amazing right here. The restaurant savings, which I did mention on another video. These are gift cards that you're purchasing to restaurants.com so that when you're traveling, you can also eat out. And you can choose what you would like to purchase here. You can see that you can get a $100 restaurant.com gift card for just $12.49 in United States money, US dollars. Okay, so that's a pretty good deal. That's $100 worth of food that you could eat, and you're only paying $12.49. So keep that in mind as you're traveling. You will have access to some of these things too. And it will, of course, depend on the location that you're going to as to what might be available through the restaurant.com site that you can access and see where you can use your gift card. But that is going to be available to you. And another thing I wanted to talk to you about is the shopping rewards. Now, we didn't really talk about this before, so I wanted to make sure that you're aware of this. This is, it's like a portal. You've seen these before with other sites, I'm sure that you're familiar with some of these things, where you can click here and it'll take you to that specific website, and then you shop and you earn the amount of credit that you see here. Now, these are the rewards credits, so this isn't like cash back that you're getting. These are credits that you're getting, which you can use for future travel. So when you shop here, for instance, if you wanted to go to 1-800-Flowers and send some flowers to someone that you know, you can get 4.8% back in rewards credits that will come here for you to use towards travel. So if you're shopping, you might as well be using this link here to do your shopping with, so that you can earn some extra rewards credits so you can take some free trips. Wouldn't that be awesome to get some free trips just because you're shopping online? So I wanted to make sure that you are aware that this is available to you, and it does also have global options. So these are not just sites for inside the United States. We have confirmed that there are indeed some global options available through this shopping assistant is what it's called here, the shopping assistant, and this little portal here inside of the Zingo Travel Club membership. Okay, so up here at the top again, I briefly mentioned the Boomerang Rewards program, and I wanted to go through that with you guys tonight and explain a little bit about what that is and how that can benefit you. So let's touch on that tonight. Boomerang Rewards. It says send savings, receive rewards. Invite your friends and earn rewards. So you are sending an invitation to your friends or acquaintances or people that you know, people on social media if you'd like to do it that way. And they would create a free account from the link that you send them. From there, they can book travel at a discounted price, and then you get to earn rewards credits. So let's just look at that right here. How that works, 50% for you and 50% for your friends. We open this up right here, you can see an example. So if your friend that you sent the link to was going to be saving $500 off of their hotel price, say they're staying a week at a nice hotel somewhere, and they're going to be saving $500 off of the public pricing for the hotel. It will show them a savings of $250, and then you will earn that same amount, $250 in rewards credits. And again, that's coming back here to you in your Zingo Travel Club membership inside the membership here, and you'll see those rewards credits that you can use up here at the top towards future travel. Okay, so again, your friend is booking and they're saving money, and then you are also earning credits to use towards future travel when they book that. So it's a savings for them, it's money for you in the form of travel that you can take. So it's a win-win for everybody. So of course you would want to do that, right? Now I mentioned that you can share this on social media. You can see that there's a few little links here, or you can just copy your link to the clipboard so that you can copy and paste it in an email or wherever you would like to share that link, so that people can take advantage of the savings for themselves, and you are also earning those rewards credits off of the travel that they book. Okay, so then if you click on the My Account tab here at the top, you can manage the Boomerang rewards over here under the rewards section. If you click on the Boomerang dashboard, it shows you here rewards that you've gotten from people that have used that link that you sent them and have booked travel, and you've earned your rewards credits. Those would be listed here. Now, as you can see, I haven't done that yet, but I plan to. I'm going to send that out for people to start saving themselves some money and earning me some credits. And when they book their travel, then it will show up here in this section under the Boomerang dashboard under My Account. So that's how you manage that. Also here, just quickly inside this My Account section, you can see your reservations. There's the link to contact support if you should need some help in booking travel. For instance, you have some special circumstances, a larger group, a specific need for something. This support button here can help you with that. Your profile is listed here, as well as any credit cards if you choose to keep those on file with Zingo Travel Club. And then there's a savings calculator and a member guide. So I clicked on the savings calculator, and this is kind of a fun little worksheet for you to use. It can just kind of help you figure out what your savings might be. If you like to figure this stuff out, this might be a fun thing for you to delve into and give it a try. See some fun numbers come up here for your savings, okay? So that could be fun. And then if we click on the member guide, this is an overview of the travel benefits. So if you want to read the specific benefits and exactly how those work for you, that is here under the member guide. So you can actually dive in and read exactly what you are getting with your Zingo Travel Club membership and your very own travel club. Hooray! Isn't that fun that you have your very own travel club? Tell people that. It's an awesome little perk that you can say, I own my very own travel club. So that's just a quick little rundown of some of the benefits that you get that we hadn't covered before inside of the Zingo Travel Club. Wanted to make sure we went over some of these things with you guys, because there's some stuff there that you might not expect to see inside of a travel savings portal. You might be used to some of the other ones online that you've looked at, and this one has some extra perks for you. So there's benefits to owning your own travel club, and you can get some fun extra savings there. I wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of that. Also, coming up in a future video, coming to you very, very soon, I will be discussing the promotion that MyEcon is running right now. It's just barely started. They're just kicking it off, where you can earn extra money when you are sharing your Zingo Travel membership, when you're sharing the global membership with people. MyEcon is going to be running a promotion for people who are sharing their link and getting other people to sign up for their very own Zingo Travel Club membership, their very own travel club. There's a special promotion that's running for several months, and it'll be a way that you can earn some extra cash. So just wanted to share that with you guys. If you happen to be someone in another country who's looking to earn some quick extra cash to share an awesome benefit with your team of people to come on board and make some really good commissions for the rest of 2025, this is going to be an excellent opportunity for that. So perk your ears up and pay attention to this. There will be another video coming up soon. Please keep your eyes and ears peeled on my channel right here. So you're going to want to hit that subscribe button and make sure that you hit the little notification bell so you can be notified when I post this new video and any other content that I post here on my channel. You want to be notified about that, so hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell. If you found value in this video today, I would really appreciate if you hit that like button as well. And I'm looking forward to sharing lots of other information with you. Lots of fun things going on inside of MyEcon this year in 2025, and it's an amazing year to get started with MyEcon since we just launched globally and we're just barely rolling out into over 150 countries. We're really starting to gain some momentum there. So again, no better time to get started than right now to take advantage of all of these awesome benefits that are rolling out to you for 2025 with the MyEcon Global membership. I'm so excited to get to share this with you guys, and I can't wait to work with you. I'm looking forward to helping you find ways that you can save and earn more money for yourself and your family in 2025. Again, it's my mission to share this with as many people as possible to help you improve your life and the lives of those around you that you love and care about. And so I hope you found value in this video, and I will see you on the next video really soon.